Welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. If you are tired of battling clutter and struggling to find a place for everything in your home, you are for a treat. In today's video, we are diving into incredibly clever interior storage hacks and tips that will help you maximize space and
We are
keep your
starting
living areas
off a
organized.
game
From small
changer dual
apartments to
purpose
spacious
furniture.
houses, these
Think
ideas
Ottomans
are
with
designed
hidden
to
storage,
transform your
coffee
living
tables
space into
that
a
double as
clutter-free heaven.
work desks, and beds with built-in dryers. These pieces not only serve their primary function but also provide you with extra storage space. Don't forget about vertical space. Install wall-mounted shelves, hooks and pegboards to make use of empty walls. These can hold anything from kitchen utensils to office supplies, freeing up valuable counter and desk space. Transparent storage bins are your best friends when it comes to keeping track of items. Use them in your pantry, closet, or under the bed. Being able to see what's inside without opening them saves you time and frustration. Rolling carts are versatile storage solutions that can be easily moved around. Use them in the kitchen of extra counter space, in the living room as a mobile bar, or even as a craft station. Don't let the space under your bed go to waste. Invest in underbed storage bins or dryers to test away seasonal clothing, shoes, or even kids' toys. And there you have it, ingenious interior storage hacks and tips to help you reclaim your space and maintain an organized home. Remember, it's all about finding creative solutions that work for your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home organization and design inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.